can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at altcoin Stellar XLM. In the last 1 month, it's down 13%, but the last 1 year has seen it rally up by 168%. We're waiting for that elusive altcoin season rally in the altcoin market. With altcoin showing some signs of life, we look at XLM Stellar's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. XLM Stellar is one of the OG coins in the cryptocurrency market. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at XLM's performance against Bitcoin, XLM Stellar's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we look at XLM Stellar's market cap. We see it's around $8.14 billion. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. Should we be loading up on our altcoin bag? Should we be adding more Stellar? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. XLM Stellar currently trades around $0.26 with a market cap of $8.14 billion, has an unlocked market cap of $13 billion. 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $192 million. Maximum supply for XLM Stellar is 50 billion tokens. We have 31.19 billion of those tokens in circulation. The all-time high for XLM Stellar happened on the 4th of January 2018. 7 years ago, it traded for as high as $0.93. Right now, it's down 72% from its all-time high. So you make the question, why is XLM Stellar important? Why should we buy XLM Stellar if we want to buy it? It's because XLM Stellar is a peer-to-peer decentralized network created in 2014 by the Stellar Developmental Foundation, or stellar.org. The network officially launched in 2015 with the purpose of connecting the world financial system and ensuring a protocol for payments providers and financial institutions. The platform designed to move financial resources swiftly and reliably at minimal cost. Stellar links people, banks, payment processors, and allow users to create and send trade multiple types of crypto. Now, if you look at Stellar's performance against the US dollar, this is a wonderful story. After it was launched in 2014, we had a barring period where it was going sideways. It was stuck in a range. Depending on where you bought in 2014 till 2017, it felt like Stellar was not one of those winners. But from March 2017, guys, till January of 2018, that was the biggest pump we saw in the altcoin market. Stellar participated in that altcoin rally, giving us more than a 572% pump in just under 301 days. Good things can happen quickly in the altcoin market. You just have to buy low, sell high. You have to buy when there's fear in the market. And when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit, because, guys, the good time doesn't last forever. We have seen XLM Stellar get to new all-time highs, and after then, we've seen it dump aggressively to Goblin Town, losing around 96% of its value. Now, this altcoin market can be volatile. Yes, Stellar could go up 500%, but it could also lose 96% of its value, which begs the question, how can we avoid those huge volatility, guys? You can't avoid it in the altcoin market. You have to swing with the punches. In the altcoin market, you just have to be able to buy when other people are selling and be able to sell when other people are buying. And in 2021, we saw XLM Stellar almost repeat the same trick, but this time around, it got stopped at around the previous all-time highs. XLM Stellar rallied up by over 2,800% in that 2021 bull market. It took around 427 days for it to happen, but eventually did, but we couldn't break into new all-time highs. And then came another bear market. This time around, XLM Stellar did not dump aggressively like the previous bear market, even though we saw a 90% decline. That's crazy. Then the cryptocurrency market, a 90% decline. It's an improvement from a 96% decline, but that's kind of volatility you have to endure if you want to experience those kind of exponential gains. Because after XLM Stellar got to a bottom of around $0.069, which was in December of 2022, we have seen it rally up by the end of 2024 to as high as $0.6, which is around another 797% increase to the upside. Again, we couldn't get to new all-time highs. We got stopped out around the range highs. Guys, I'll not be shocked if we can't get to new all-time highs, but if we're going to get to new all-time highs, that will require us to see that all-season pump. That all-season pump, we see XLM Stellar pumping above that $0.62 level and pumping even to new all-time highs. We have to see around the 300% pump from where we're currently trading, but crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. Even in XLM Stellar, we saw it giving us one of those crazy pumps ending 2024 on a bang. We saw XLM Stellar rallying up by 600% in around 14 days. I don't think this time is different. I believe all things are possible. Now, if you look at XLM Stellar's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, yes, it has had its own nice time against Bitcoin. We have seen XLM Stellar pumping to the moon against Bitcoin. But those were the past. That's when it was still early. Right now, it's been going sideways for years on, and it has come back to levels not seen since September of 2017. The altcoin market is very, very volatile. What can I say? You have to just time it right. You have to buy low. You have to buy when the market is fearful and sell when the market is very, very greedy. And most times the market gets very, very fearful when Bitcoin is pumping and altcoins are not pumping, and that's kind of situation we have right now. I believe we'll see altcoins have one final lap. That final lap could see XLM Stellar rally up 200, 300, maybe even as high as 400% against Bitcoin. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, Bitcoin trades over $100,000. Market participants are excited, waiting for that extreme greed, waiting for that all-season pump. Don't get carried away, guys. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Look at XLM Stellar's performance against Ethereum. Similar price action. It's not been doing well, but since that rally that happened in November of 2024 for XLM Stellar, it's been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum from the bottom. The next phase might be the final phase of this market cycle where we see XLM Stellar outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because at the end of a market cycle, guys, market participants are always very, very excited to run into the altcoin market. They have made huge gains in Bitcoin. They're looking for ways to multiply their profits, and that's why they'll come to buy your bags. If you look at XLM Stellar's market cap, we see it around the $8.1 billion level. The all-time high for XLM Stellar's market cap came in 2021. Unlike the price chart where we saw the all-time high in 2017, for the market cap chart in 2021, we actually got to new highs. And in November of 2024, we actually touched the previous all-time highs. Even though on the price chart, we didn't do all of that. So I'm wondering why, guys. It's because more tokens are coming to circulation. Earlier in the video, I told you guys XLM Stellar has a market cap of $8 billion and unlocked market cap of $13 billion. Circulating supply is at 31 billion tokens, maximum supply of 50 billion tokens. So more than 18.89 billion tokens are yet to come into circulation. And that's why you're seeing the market cap almost at all-time highs, while the price chart is still far from all-time highs. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, if we see a rally that takes XLM Stellar's market cap to all-time highs, it takes its US dollar price chart to all-time highs. In that situation, I believe market participants will start getting irrational. I believe you start hearing talks about how Stellar could go to $10, $50, $100. Don't believe the hype. Your number one job here is to make some money. If you buy low and you sell high, historically, that has worked 100% of the time. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Do you believe all seasons around the corner? Are you buying more altcoins right now? More importantly, how high do you think XLM Stellar will go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.